Hello everyone, our project is Smart Point Building Infrastructures, Innovative Solutions for a Smarter Future. This project presented by Adeeva Malika, System Manager, and me, Tokbergen Madiyar, Network Engineer. This presentation covers the design and implementation of a small enterprise network using Cisco Packet Tracer, and it includes an introduction to the project-related works based on enterprise networking best practices, project objectives and goals, and a network analysis based on user requirements. The logical design demonstrates a hierarchical network structure followed by an implementation plan detailing key configurations. The presentation also evaluates network's cost of ownership, presents live testing results, and concludes with references used during the project. Introduction. Smart Point Building is a modern workplace where employees, visitors, and digital systems depend on a reliable network connectivity. With many devices and services operating at the same time, even a small network issue can affect productivity. In this project, we take the roles of network engineer and system manager to design and implement a structured, secure, and efficient enterprise network.
Literature review and related works. So when we designed the network, we relied on the best practices and research in the field of corporate networks. Many solutions use Cisco hierarchical model because it simplifies management and increases scalability. VLCM and centralized HTTP and DNS services are used to efficiently allocate IP addresses and simplify administration. SSH, CTP, and NTP protocols are used for network security and stability. Project objectives and aims. So the first is to create a network for smart point buildings that reflects the work of a real corporate building. Second is to ensure a secure and stable connection between all departments. Third is implement a scalable architecture ready for an increased number of users and devices. Fourth is use a hierarchical network model to simplify management and eliminate errors. And the last is apply best security and network design practices. So business and technical goals. The first business goal is support daily operation. Second is support staff and visitors. And third is ensure reliable services. The technical goals, first is VLAN separation. Second is inter-VLAN routing. And the last is centralized DHCP, DNS, and VTP.
Network analysis. We have 4 departments. First of all is IT department, 4 users responsible for managing systems, servers, and network infrastructure. Second one is HR department, 3 users handles employee records and administrative tasks. Third one is finance department, 3 users manages financial transactions and accounting records. And the last one is QS network, 3 users designed for visitors and temporary users. QS access is logically separated from internal departments to protect organization data. We analyze a smart point as a small enterprise with 4 departments and 13 users based on departmental roles and business needs. We selected the number of devices and designed the network to support secure communication and future growth. VLSM was used to ensure efficient IP allocation and scalability. In Packet Tracer, we designed the network using a hierarchical model with core, distribution, and access layers. Each department has its own subnet created using VLSM, and routing is handled by Cisco 2911 routers. And central services like DHCP, DNS, and FTP are hosted on one server, providing efficient and secure network management.
The network cost of ownership. So in our project we used 3 router 2911, 4 switches 2916, 13 PC and 1 server. So we calculated all sum and the total was 9117. So this is our implementation plan. First is GHTP for automatic IP assignment, second DNS for hostname resolution, VTP for application layer testing, CTP for loop prevention, NTP time synchronization, and SSH for secure management. So this is our reference. During the project, we relied on official Cisco documentation and Cisco Network Academy materials to properly design and configure the network. We also studied examples of corporate networks and real-world cases on designing enterprise network. The prices for the equipment were taken from online platforms such as Amazon and the website of seller of refurbished Cisco equipment.
Today we will show you that our project works fine. First of all, we want to show that DHCP works. For that, I can show you like this. First of all, that DHCP works. It's request successful. Now I want to show you like in command ipconfig. Now you can see that everything fine. First of all, we will do gateway connectivity check. Then we will do the interdepartment routing. Interdepartment routing also works. The third one is server reachability. Here you can see that this works also. After that we will check the DNS. Then we will check FTP. Everything works fine. For this, in FTP we have username admin and password Cisco. We enter it and you can see that we log it in. Now we will quit and check CCH. Now we have password, it's Cisco, and we enter it to router. Now we will enable this and we have password class. We enabled and now we will check the NTP status. Here you can see that we check NTP status and check that NTP works, and how you can see everything is fine.